Oh, Route 2C, Plymouth, from Glacier Hills inbound. Here at the stop at Glacier Hills, we will make a exit out of our driveway. We pull from the stop. Going to proceed straight under the canopy. Proceed with caution. This is the inbound 2C, starting at Glacier Hills Nursing Home. At the first stop sign here, we're going to make a left turn. Use caution and care when you're making your left turn here. Cars are typically parked here and it's a rather tight turn, but it is a makeable turn with no problem when you take your time. Back at the main driveway, you're going to make a right turn to exit Glacier Hills. Here at Earhart, you're going to make a left turn. At Glacier Way, you're going to make a right turn. There are a few stops of service here on Glacier Way, and we will continue on Glacier Way until we reach Green Road, where we make a right turn. Green Road is at the stop sign. At the stop sign, which is Green Road, going to make a right turn. Continuing north on Green Road, there are a few stops of service. We're going to stay on Green Road until we reach the Green Road commuter lot, which is our Green Road parking ride. Number 22 making his turn down Hubbard. This is a shared route at this point. The 2C shares a small stretch with the number 22. You have the Michigan Municipal League on the left-hand side, and the Greenbrier apartment community, which is a very, very popular destination. After you've passed Greenbrier, get over to your left. Prepare to make your left-hand turn into the Green Road commuter lot where our Green Road parking ride is. Make your left turn in the first driveway of the parking ride. Then you're going to turn on the right around the shelter so that you can curb your bus to the stop. From there, you're going to make a right-hand turn to the driveway exiting the parking ride. Back at Green Road, we will make a left turn. Remember to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. For in Ann Arbor, whenever there's a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way to said pedestrian. Continuing north on Green Road, at the light is Plymouth Road. We will make our left turn after we service this last stop right here. From there you want to get over to the left turn lane. Prepare to make your left turn onto Plymouth Road. Continuing on Plymouth Road, we will remain on Plymouth Road until we have reached Huron Parkway. At the stoplight, we will make a right turn. You'll know you're at Huron Parkway when you reach the Speedway. Here at the light, you'll make a right turn. There are no stops to service here on this stretch of Huron Parkway. We're going to continue around till we get to the roundabout. We're going to cautiously go into the roundabout, making a left turn onto Nixon. Going to make a semicircle around the roundabout, and we're going to go south on Nixon Road. We're approaching Plymouth Mall stop. This is a tying point. From here we will continue on Nixon, and at the light, which is Plymouth Road, we're going to make a right turn. After making our right turn on Plymouth Road, we're going to stay on Plymouth Road for a little while, as it's going to turn into Broadway, then it's going to turn into Beeks. As we cross over the bridge, I'll point that out to you. But we're going to continue straight, servicing several stops for now. Passing Upland, the courtyards on the left hand side and the courtyard shops on the right. Very popular destination. we're approaching Barton Drive. This is a tying point for the 2C. We're traveling the same path as the 2A and the 2B travels. However, the 2C is going to keep straight until it reaches 5th Avenue, and the 2A and the 2B makes a left onto Maiden Lane. We're approaching Moore and Maiden Lane to the left. The 2A and the 2B would turn left here, servicing the U of M Hospital as well as the Blake Transit Center. The 2C, however, continues straight as we're now on Broadway. Remember, Plymouth turns into Broadway, and as we cross the overpass here of the Amtrak station, we will turn into Beeks. After servicing this stop here at Beeks and Summit, we're going to get over to the left-hand lane because the flashing yellow light is 5th Avenue where we want to make our left turn. Here at the daycare center, Annie's Children's Center. This is a shared route with the number 1 as well as the number 17. We're now entering Carytown. This intersection here is a tying point. You'll see our stop just beyond the UPS truck there. Crossing Catherine. We're going to stay on 5th, going south on 5th Ave until we get to Washington Street. We're currently at Catherine. The streets go Catherine and Huron, then Washington Street, where we will make a left turn. Approaching Huron after this last said stop just beyond the intersection here at Huron. After servicing the stop here, we want to get over in the left-hand lane as quickly and safely as we can, where we're going to make our left turn here at Washington. Comes up rather quickly after the stop after Huron, so make certain that you are ready to make the transition to the left side. Now headed towards the central campus down Washington Street. cross State Street. And after crossing State Street, the next stop sign is Thayer. We're going to make a right turn. To the left is our North Quad, the University of Michigan. We're now on the Central Campus. Please remember the crosswalk rules and exercise extreme caution and patience when driving through the Central Campus. We're approaching North University. It's here where we will turn left. Stop Coming is a very popular destination stop here on North University. We're now approaching the Central Campus Transit Center, and this will conclude the inbound 2C.